On average, it can cost more than $100 million and take years to put a vaccine through all 3 stages of development, with no guarantees of success. With time of the essence in the COVID-19 pandemic, many governments are picking up the costs, taking the financial risk to help speed up the process.
The government has basically taken the risk out of it for pharmaceutical companies. They'll pay for the mass production. They'll pay for the phase 3 trials. So therefore, the companies can move right along. And in fact, mass produce the vaccine while they're doing phase 3 trials, while they're still unsure whether the vaccine works and is safe, because the government's going to pay for it.
But is safety being sacrificed for speed? It was in 1955 when a laboratory rushed out more than 100,000 batches of the polio vaccine that mistakenly contained the polio virus. The batches were recalled, but not before they led to paralysis in dozens of people and the death of some children. The incident was a sad chapter in the history of vaccine manufacturing. Fast forward to today, and Pfizer is one of the pharmaceutical companies that has a COVID-19 vaccine in stage 3 human trials. There's no guarantee it will be successful. Nevertheless, the U.S. government has given the company hundreds of millions of dollars to speed up the development process. In exchange, if the Pfizer vaccine turns out to be the one that works, the U.S. government will control the rights to the first 100 million doses. The White House is pushing ahead so fast, officials there claim they could have as much as 300 million doses available by the end of this year, in a program they're calling Operation Warp Speed. Some vaccine experts I spoke to said they hope that moving so fast doesn't lead to mishaps like what happened with the polio vaccine.
You don't actually want a vaccine that is developed at warp speed. I mean, really. You know, you want a vaccine that is developed as safely and carefully as any other vaccine that you're comfortable putting in yourself or your child.
For now, the race is on, balancing speed and safety for the elusive vaccine to end the COVID-19 pandemic. Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, New York.